Now, when you talk about AI, I believe you always have to ask 3 questions. And these are questions that we actually ask in our product process as we build product. The questions are, what can you automate? What's uniquely human? And where can you augment? When you think about automation, you should think about things that humans are bad at or hate to do, like typing in a bunch of data, or moving data from one place to another, or reading back through a lot of data to figure out what happened. Those are things that humans shouldn't be doing, and technology can do for us these days. Checking 10 inboxes is a bad use of a human. There are good uses of humans, and ostensibly you hire humans into sales because you think that sales is a human endeavor. And we believe it is too, because sellers are connecting with buyers when they're doing a good job. They're empathizing. They're helping sellers navigate politically. They're helping buyers deal with a lot of information coming at them so they can actually understand what they're trying to achieve and whether or not they're going to get there. They're building trust and credibility. These are things that you really want a human being to do. And if they're doing those, I believe that you can augment that with technology. Replace the administrative work that you don't need someone to do, and then help the people write emails if you do want them to engage with buyers. Help them get the product information they need in the moment they need it, or any other kind of information. Help them collaborate. Help them run sales plays to get to repeatability and consistency without having to read an email and then go somewhere else to do all the things that the email said. These are ways that we can augment the humanness in selling so that sellers can spend more time with buyers. At Salesloft, we've been pioneering AI for years, and we've deployed AI models throughout the entire product, many of which you may not know are there because we put them in the workflow. We believe that AI has to be in the workflow to add value. It has to be where you're working to bring the right context and the data right into the moment. And we've been doing this through things like seniority and hot leads. Last year, we shipped Rhythm, which is a prioritization engine, an AI-driven prioritization engine that looks across all the incoming signals in your business and helps you understand the most important action to take. And of course, we're using generative AI because it is a transformative technology that makes so many things that were hard easier, like writing that cold email. When we deploy AI, you'll see us put it in the workflow. You'll see us root it in value. We don't build demoware. There's a lot of flash out there. That's great. We build AI that helps you take action to get to outcomes. And you'll see that in our vision for ARC. We also make sure that it's explainable because explainability drives trust. For experienced sellers, they won't use AI, and nor should they, unless they know what it's doing, and when they need to, can get into the loop, can be a human in the loop. And for newer sellers, explainability can help build intuition, can help teach them about the business that they're in. So AI is very powerful, but you have to let humans know what it's doing. Salesloft is the only vendor with a true revenue orchestration platform. It's a platform that covers all the core selling jobs, right? Instead of forecasting being a process of gathering all the information, it actually becomes a process of prioritizing. Structured workflows that help you stay on track when you're prospecting. Coaching support for managers. All the things that a sales team does are within Salesloft. And they're surrounded by Rhythm, this AI-powered orchestration engine, so that sellers aren't spending their time thinking about how to do this or how to do that, but they're able to just take the next action with the context they need in the moment.